Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. I do appreciate you tuning in to this one. So this is all about the Microsoft Bluetooth mouse. Real simple and easy to use. I have a MacBook Pro and I wanted something simple. So it's all about the Microsoft Bluetooth mouse unboxing. Let's take a look at it. Real simple to set up and let's get going. All right guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So I have a MacBook Pro, as you can see here, and I love the touchpad. I really do. Don't get me wrong. I think it's one of the best as far as one of the best items as far as a touchpad is concerned, really. It's smooth, it works well, but what's in this box here is really important to me. Not because it's because of a Mac, it's not because of the touchpad, it's because I'm just not used to it yet, and I wanted to just get, I'm sure you know what it is, but we're gonna open this up, an unboxing of something that I think I need. Tell me what you think. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you watch my videos. I do appreciate it, but simple solution for me. Right? I know it's stupid, but it's a mouse. Now, not any mouse. Okay, this is a simple, cheap mouse. But what I like about this mouse, or these mices, whatever you want to say, is that it's Bluetooth. Right? I don't like those dongle mouse. I hate those. Those are annoying. Another thing you don't need to plug in. Another thing you have to keep worrying about. It's Bluetooth. It uses very little power. It works well. It's small. It's compact. It's easy to take with you. I'll use this. I can even put I customize a piece of rubber. Sometimes I use on top of a little mouse pad if I need it. Just simple. I know it's crazy, and I love don't get me wrong, I love the trackpad. I really do. I mean, it's just awesome. On the Mac, it's awesome. Everything's awesome. I'm just so used to a mouse. Even on my Mac, iMac, just the clicks and just things that I constantly do over and over. It's just much faster in the hands than the actual swiping, the two fingers, and all that digestive stuff, which is great. Don't get me wrong, but I need a mouse. For 20 bucks, I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. But if you need a mouse, definitely buy a Bluetooth mouse. I mean, if you're a gamer, you buy expensive mouses. They're expensive ones. The mouse go up to $200. Some prices. Something simple that does the job, reliable, inexpensive. I mean, for 20 bucks, a Bluetooth mouse, and the batteries. I have other ones as well, and they last forever. I'm telling you, the batteries, you don't have to worry about shutting it off because they just power down automatically. They're pretty efficient. It's one AA battery, real easy, real simple. And I know it's not a very high-tech video, but it's not about high-tech. It's about practicality, and for me, functionality. So to move along quickly, especially if I'm using the Final Cut Pro, if I'm using some Photoshop, I really want to move around quickly. The pointer goes faster than me than just trying to just navigate that, and there's nothing wrong with it. Don't get me wrong. Don't give me any hate mail at all, please. I love the MacBook Pro. I love the trackpad, but I also like having an optional mouse as well. Okay, so enough of that. So
hey guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying this unboxing of this really cheap, inexpensive Bluetooth mouse, but it works well. All right guys, back to the unboxing. Appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't hate, please. I appreciate you watching me. As always, I do appreciate you tuning into your review channel. I think it is a really cool way to go. It's the trackpad, but I love a small mouse. I just love a mouse. This comes with the batteries. Okay, looks like it does to me. Let's see. Oh, it does come with a battery included, which is very cool. So let's remove that tab, and I'll show you how to connect. I don't know if you ever use a Bluetooth mouse at all. It's really pretty simple to pair. I will show you. It doesn't really utilize any of them. Just pull that tab when you get it. You pull the tab, and you can see it already syncing up to the computer. All right, awesome. So it should be very, very, very super simple to do this. So it's blinking, it's just pairing up. Put it down. So system preferences. So you navigate the system preferences on your Mac. Of course, you have to use the touchpad. That's just the way it is. And just go to Bluetooth devices. Okay. And let's see, the Bluetooth device is on. And automatically, I don't know if you can see that. I will zoom in right away. It says connect. So you can see that. I want you to see that. I want you to see how easy it is to connect to it. You just say connect to the mouse. Okay. Then it's going to connect to the mouse. You can see it blinking. And now it's solid. So hopefully you saw that. It is now connected to the mouse. The mouse is actually working. Continue. You can adjust everything here. Identify keypad. It's all set. This thing keeps coming up. It's annoying me. Get rid of that. And that is it. So close that out. Close that out. And now I use my mouse here if I want to. And I'll just show you that again. So as you can see, now my mouse is activated. So when I want to move around quickly, I can just move around, hit it whatever I want to. And don't get me wrong, I love the keypad, the trackpad, but the mouse for me, it just moves much faster. If I want to just navigate real quick, I want to move around. right here, boom, 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 and it's just faster. All right, it's more efficient for me. I mean, I love the mouse. It's simple, it's cheap, it's effective, and it works. And honestly, you don't have to shut it off. It just shuts off by itself. It saves tons of power. A great little $20 fix to increase your efficiency. You don't have to use the mouse if you want to. People love the trackpad, love it. But to me, quickly moving things around, I like the mouse. Okay, guys, I just want to bring this to your attention. Don't forget about the little mouse, okay? All right, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate everyone watching my videos. I do appreciate all the nice comments. I really do. Okay, guys, if you have any questions or any comments down below, if you have any questions or comments, please leave down below. Let me know what you think, if you use a mouse or you just use a trackpad. Let's find out what everyone thinks in the community. I think, you can't go wrong either way, but for me, I thought the mouse was just a little bit more efficiency, a little bit faster, and I'm just really used to it, honestly, frankly with you. To be frank, I'm just more used to the mouse, and that's it for me, guys. All right, quick unboxing, quick review. Give me your thoughts, let me know. Don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It does help me out as always. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.